Blue Yeti Nano is the microphone I've recently purchased, and I would like to unbox and go over some of the features with you in this channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Param. You would have seen that I am keen to share some of my experiences with the products I purchase. I'm going to unpack this microphone in front of the camera and share my experience and what it really includes. So again, we've got a Blue Yeti Nano in the box. We've got the instructions, very minimum information, but I guess everything can be found on the internet if needed be. That's the microphone itself. Very small. I would have thought it was bigger, but yeah, looks pretty neat. In the box we've got the stand, and I guess it would just mount from the side, which we'll get to that in a moment. We've got the USB cable. Seems to be a micro USB on one side and your standard USB-C, USB-A, apologies, where it connects to your device. And there's a screw, which we will get to in a moment. All right, let's get into it and mount it up. It's pretty much screw on from each side. The USB cable goes right underneath. It also allows for the aux jack as well. And if you use the USB, you can plug it straight to your PC. That's one config. There's another screw down the bottom. I guess this will be if you wanted to mount it to an arm right from the base. That can also be one of the configs. That seems to be just pretty much screw on. I will have more videos on this where I would basically review the product itself, the quality. Perhaps I would compare it to the microphone that I have at the moment, and I will just perhaps try and use the microphone arm that I've got, like a rig type arm that we can test it against as well. Other than that, it's very simple. I don't see anything else in the box, just these nice and minimalist. Thank you all. Be sure to subscribe, where I will show more about this product, its quality, compare it with other microphones that I've got. Also, I've got other products coming up that I would typically just unbox and review. So yeah, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.